right, guys, something a little different here. Like I said, not what I normally do, but definitely something I can do. So we got some screen pinched in between some expanded metal here. The screen will keep the bees and stuff out of the attic. The expanded will keep anything else from trying to push on it and knock the screen out. So that's what they look like done. Two pieces, obviously. So this slides in, screws in the sides. Then your front piece will sit on top of the stucco and get screwed down. They'll paint them all and deal with all that nonsense. So I don't have to, but man, doing that type of work makes a mess. This is all from today. This was clean concrete here in the shop before, but yeah, the table's a mess. Man, grinding that stuff off there and cleaning up all those edges and everything sure makes some swarf. Now we're gonna take a road trip out to my buddy at Revival Resto Mods and gonna work on a roof cap. There's a K20 out there that they've got. They're doing some paint work on, or they're painting it, but the top of the roof has a hole in it that's rusty, I guess. I'm assuming someone at some point had put a CB antenna, you know, in the center of the roof cap, and it's rusted because they filled it with filler and yeah, whatever. So we are gonna drop those off on the way and head out there. So I'll see you when we get there. That right there is why this is rusty. Some goober had a CB antenna on top of this roof. Stay. All right, guys, I did not film an outro for this truck video, so I'm doing it now. It's been probably a little over a week now. The truck is all bodied and in primer. It looks pretty good. First round of primer anyway. They're gonna block it again and get it ready for paint. Yeah, that top was pretty bad. The CB antenna hole, I mean, you saw it. There was probably a good foot diameter square there that was rusty, and then it had that insulation inside of it, so it was definitely sucking up moisture and holding it in there. What I didn't show you on the video is we coated all that stuff with a rust inhibitor inside the cab there. There was nothing really poking through. Well, there was nothing poking through in the rain gutters, you know, out towards the front of the cab and all that. So it was all solid. So we killed all that rust and then slapped the top back on it and got it all welded on there. Actually, it wasn't too bad. The way those cabs work is the front rain lip is all spot welded, and then there's a seam right along the back of the cab above the window that's spot welded from the inside. Well, we couldn't get to that because we didn't take the interior panel out, and the owner didn't want to tear it any farther apart. So I ended up pressing that together, and then I stitch welded it all the way across, cleaned it all up. So now the cab is nice and smooth. There's no body gap there. It looks super clean, actually. The top's white, so it'll look good. So came out this morning and started doing some gate posts for a project for some people. So I was like, dang, I should probably film an outro so I can get that video out. So here we are. Anyway, guys, like always, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment down below. And until next time, we'll keep building awesome stuff. Later.